Hello and welcome. This is the unboxing of my Victory Baby Lock Serger. Yes, I just purchased this a few minutes ago and it is great. I tested it out in the store with the owner and I like it. It's very easy. It's called the Victory, I'm sorry. It's a nice model and it's easy to thread. It's air jet thread. And I'm sure I'm going to have a lot of good times with it. And this is my sewing machine, the Quantum. Very nice machine. It has all the bells and whistles with it. And I also have the Singer Stylist too. This one is a great one too, and I have enjoyed sewing a lot of things on this machine. But back to the new prize. And I'm sure I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. Stay tuned.